What is up, guys? Sammy here, and today I'm doing another challenge video, and I'm gonna be eating Cheetos, but they're flaming hot Chipotle ranch, and I absolutely do not like hot stuff. And I'm gonna try to eat as many as I can without drinking anything. And they already smell hot. Look how they look. They're super red. I don't know if you can tell that much on camera, but they're super red. Alright, so I'm about to eat it now. 3, 2, 1. I started to begin. I already feel hot now. Not hot. There's a drink right there that I really want because it's super hot. I don't like hot stuff. Oh, I have so much to go. You can't even see that. No, you can't see that. You gotta get to 3 minutes or more. I already have 2:36. My teeth red? No. Look at my hands.